Maraming gustong mag-grow sa YouTube. Pero bakit nga ba may mga umaangat at may mga sumusuko? Sagot dyan ang libro ni Sean Cannell at Benji Travis, YouTube Secrets. Hindi ito tungkol sa swerte. It's about principles that actually work. Kaya ngayon, i-share ko sa iyo ang 7 secrets na pwedeng mag-transform ng passion mo into influence, income at impact. Una sa lahat, ikaw. Ikaw mismo ang biggest secret ng YouTube success. Hindi camera, hindi editing software, at hindi rin algorithm. Ang importante, yung perspective mo, yung kwento mo, at yung boses mo. Hindi naghahanap ang viewers ng perfect. Naghahanap sila ng authentic. Gusto nila yung real talk, yung tipong parang nakikipag-usap sa kaibigan. Kaya wag mong hintayin na perfect lahat bago ka magsimula. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else chapter 20. Simulan mo sa kung anong meron ka. Because authenticity beats perfection, every single time. Pangalawa, targeting. Hindi mo kailangan ng lahat ng tao sa YouTube. Kailangan mo lang yung tamang tao. The fastest growing creators know their audience well. Alam nila ang niche nila. Alam nila kung anong problema ng audience at paano ito masosolve. So tanungin mo sarili mo, sino ba ang gusto kong tulungan? Ano bang questions nila? Anong pain points ang kaya kong sagutin? Mas clear ang focus mo, mas mabilis kang lalago. Because when you create for somebody, not everybody, you win. Third is content, pero hindi basta-basta content. Evergreen content. Ito yung mga videos na kahit after a year, relevant at useful pa rin. Instead of chasing puro viral hits, build a library of value. Videos na people can always search and find helpful. Remember, hindi lang ito tungkol sa isang viral video. It's about consistency. Video, brick, dun ka makakabuo ng something lasting. Tandaan, consistency beats virality. Pang-apat, community. YouTube is not one way. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa iyo na nagbo-broadcast. Creators na nagtatagumpay, sila yung nag-engage. Sumusagot sa comments, nagtatanong din sa viewers. At nagpaparamdam na kasama ang audience sa journey. Kapag naramdaman ng viewers na valued sila, they stay. They become loyal. So wag lang content, build relationships. Kasi kapag loyal ang fans mo, sila mismo mag-share ng videos mo, susuporta sa projects mo. At sasama sa iyo for the long run. Fifth, collaboration. Isa sa pinakamabilis na paraan para mag-grow ay makipag-collab sa ibang creators. Kapag nag-collab kayo, both win. You introduce each other sa new audiences, mas lumalaki reach, mas fun at dynamic ang content. Hindi ito competition, it's multiplication. So hanap ka ng kaparehong niche o kahit related lang. Kahit small collab, pwedeng mag-spark ng big growth. Collaboration multiplies, hindi nagdi-divide. Sixth, monetization. Reality check, YouTube ads are just the beginning. The real money is in multiple streams of income, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling products, online courses, at services. Kung may brand ka, may mas maraming opportunities beyond ads. So isipin mo, anong value ang pwede kong i-offer na willing i-support ng audience? Ano pang products o services ang pwedeng alin sa content ko? Don't just build a channel. Build a brand. Seventh, persistence. Most creators give up too early. Magpo-post ng ilang videos, walang views, tapos titigil. Pero ang totoo, YouTube is a long game. It takes time. It takes consistency. Kailangan ulit-ulit kang bumangon, mag-adjust, at matuto. The ones who succeed aren't the lucky ones. They're the ones who stay. So wag kang susuko. Keep uploading. Keep learning. Keep showing up. Persistence beats resistance, always. So ayun, 7 secrets to YouTube success, be authentic. Serve your niche. Create evergreen content. Build community. Collaborate. Monetize smart. At pinaka-importante, stay persistent. Hindi madali, pero kung ang dream mo ay mag-build ng influence, income, at impact, pwedeng yung susunod mong upload, yun na yung start ng big breakthrough mo. So stop waiting. Start creating.